Friends, colleagues, and listeners, well, what a great show. Really enjoyed it. We had some fantastic speakers. The panelists, as usual, were incredible. And again, to all the support staff, thanks so much for all of the technical support and organisation. So well done, great job. And finally, thank you to our sponsors, Air France, KLM, Martin Air Cargo, Air Canada, Arla Group, Amerijet, Astral Aviation, Budapest Airport, Brussels Airport, Controlant, Etihad Cargo, Trip and Good Cape, the International Air Cargo Association, TIACA, Turkish Cargo, and Worldwide Flight Services, WFS. Thank you all so much, and we look forward to seeing everyone at a live face-to-face event next year. And as said at the beginning, the time and venue will be advised. All the best and good luck to everyone.